Hello everyone. Today I am just going to explain the chapter Pride and Prejudice. This chapter has been written by Jane Austen. Actually, this is a novel. So in this 8th class, only everyone you are just studying the one chapter of this novel. So in this novel, there are pride means self-respect of Elizabeth has been given, and prejudice means the Elizabeth prejudice means the already thinking, means the thinking which we used to make already regarding the person, that Elizabeth used to have prejudice against Darcy, who is the hero of this novel. Darcy is the hero and Elizabeth is the heroine of this novel. So everyone, this novel starts with the meeting. Ever since his arrival in the afternoon, Mrs. Bennet fondly hoped that her elder daughter, Jane, would attract the attention of the wealthy Mr. Bingley. So everyone, in this story, there is a lady, Mrs. Bennet, who has a strong desire that her daughters, actually she has a 5 daughters. So she wanted her daughter to get married to the rich person so that they can lead their life happily and they will not have any lack regarding anything. So Mrs. Bennet wanted her daughter to get married to rich person. So here there was a gathering is going on between Mrs. Bennet and Mrs. Bingley, because Mrs. Bingley is asking for Mrs. Bennet elder daughter Jane to come into the house and just see her house and meet other person, so that Mrs. Bingley is making the planning that how she will send Jane to the house of Mrs. Bingley, because she wanted that Jane should meet to Mr. Bingley, who is eligible bachelor and can be her son-in-law in future. Well, Jane, who is it from? What is about? What does it he say? He has and tell us. My dear friend, if you are not compassionate as the dine out with the news and me, we shall be danger of hating each other and rest of our lives. Come soon, as soon on the receipt of this, my brother and gentlemen are to dine out with the officer. Yours ever, Caroline Bingley. So everyone, Mrs. Bingley has sent letter to Mrs. Bennet that means, as my dearest friend, you should come in the get together which is going to held at her house. So she is inviting her. So instead going herself, she is sending to Jane so that Jane can meet to Mr. Bingley and their marriage can be possible. Mother, may I have the carriage when I go? Oh my dear, you better go on horseback. It seems like to rain, then it would. You must stay all night. That would be so good scheme if you are sure you won't send her home. I had rather to go in the couch, but my dear, your father cannot spare the horses. So everyone, here what happens? What happens here? So Jane is asking, okay, I am ready to go to house of the Mr. Bingley, but can I go to the horse carriage, because I cannot go on foot this much long. So her mother is making the plan that if it is seeming like it is likely to rain, means it is going to rain so hard. So if Jane will go, so Jane would stay at the house of Mrs. Bingley all over the night, so that she will get more chance to be engaged with Mr. Bingley. Because anyhow she wanted to get her daughter married to Mr. Bingley, because Mr. Bingley was a rich, wealthy person. Here she is saying that no, you cannot go on the horse carriage because your father will not leave the horse, because horse carriage cannot be possible. So what happens, a little after Jane left home, it begins to rain hard. The rain continued the whole evening without intermission, means intermission is break. Just certainly could not come back. His sister was uneasy means worried for her about her mother, but was delighted that her plan had worked so well. So what happened after was a little after some time when the Jane left on horse. So there was hardly raining, means it was raining so heavily. And what happens? Rain just continued so heavily, so Jane could not get time to come back at house. On the other hand, her sisters, Jane's sister means Jane has five siblings. So her remaining four sisters were so worried about Jane because her sister did not come back. But on the other hand, Mr. and Mrs. Bennet was so happy because her plan worked so well. As she planned that if it will rain, so Jane will live in the house of Mr. Bingley. So same it was working. The next day, what happens the next day? My dearest Lizzie, I find myself very unwell this morning, which I suppose to be imputed to my getting wet through yesterday. My kind friends will not hear to my returning till I am better. They insist also to my seeing for Mrs. Jones' things. Do not be alarmed if you should hear of this having been to me expecting a sore throat and headache. There is not much matter with me. Yours ever, Jane Bennet. So everyone, as Jane Bennet got caught in the heavy rain, so she fall ill. She has a sore throat, she had fever, she has headache. Because of that, Mrs. Bingley did not allow Jane to go home back at night. That's why Jane had to stay in the house of Mrs. Bennet. So next day, Jane Bennet has written the letter to her sisters so that her sisters should not get worried and they should take it easy. Well, my dear, Jane fall dangerously ill or die. If it would be comfort to know, all pursuit to Mr. Bingley. Oh, people do not die in a little trifle courts. She will be taken take care of there. So, where Mr. Bennet is worried about her daughter, so that Mrs. Bennet, what she is saying that it is only a little small cold and cough. No one will die in this cold and cough. So better not to take any worry. Elizabeth, feeling anxious and determined to go her sister, and carriage was not available, that she was two horse women walking on her feet alternatively. But on the other hand, where Mrs. Bennet was taking it very easy, but Miss Elizabeth was so angry with her mother because her mother let her go in the heavy midnight rain. So Elizabeth, as she was completely worry about her sister, so she decided that she will go to meet her sister anyhow, because there was no horse. That's why she decided to go on foot. I shall be fit and fine when I will see. She said that I will be completely fit and fine once I will see Jane one time. How can you be so silly? How will you not fit to be seen when you get there? So Mrs. Bennet was against of this Elizabeth. She said, no, you will not go. Miss, how can you be so stupid? You cannot go to see your sister. This is a hint of me, Lizzie. You send for her horses. No, I don't wish to avoid the walk. Distance nothing when I have a motive only 3 miles. I shall be back by dinner. She said, Miss Father is getting worried about Elizabeth. Lizzie stands for Miss Lady is the name of Elizabeth. So father said, no, you don't go like this, don't go on foot, I will give my horse to you. So but Elizabeth said, no father, I don't want. I have decided that I will go on foot, and 3 miles, these are nothing for me, because I have a motive in my life that I am to go, I am to see my sister, and I shall be back to home till dinner. So Elizabeth has decided to do. So what happens? Next day when Elizabeth reached in the house of Mr. Bingley, so means her appearance, you can see in this picture also, her appearance was completely bad because it was raining in the night, it was mud all around, and she went on foot, so her clothes were got dirty and her hairs were unarranged. So when everyone in the Mrs. Bingley house saw her, means they just saw they got surprised that what is this, in which appearance she is. Jane had slept and was too ill her room. The doctor arrived and confirmed that Jane had a cold and violent cold. So what happens here means one of the Bingley sister take Elizabeth to the Jane. Jane was sleeping in the room and she had a severe cold and cough. So doctor prescribed that she should take the rest. He advised Jane to stay in bed. He advises that he followed readily Jane fever increase and her headache accurately. So doctor also said that Jane should take care of herself very properly. She should not walk, means she at least take the complete rest for one day. When the clock struck 3, Elizabeth felt that she must go home. Please don't go. So as Elizabeth decided already that she will be back at home till dinner, so she said, okay, it is 3 o'clock, I should go back. But Jane, because it means you can say all person who was in Mrs. Bingley house was stranger for Jane. Only Elizabeth was sister to her. So she said, please don't go, I want you to stay in the house of Mr. Bingley. Mrs. Bingley was obliged to invite Elizabeth to remain in Netherfield for the presents. So means as seeing the request of Jane, Miss Bingley also allowed Jane to stay with Elizabeth, and she said, okay, Elizabeth will live in this house till then. Jane will not be completely fit and fine. I am staying here, Jane. So Elizabeth was also happy staying with her sister. A servant was duly sent to Longbourn to bring her back supply of clothes, and from Netherfield to Longbourn, where the Elizabeth house was, means where Bennet family used to live, and Netherfield here Bingley family used to live. So servant was sent in the house of Elizabeth for bringing her clothes and other necessary things. When Elizabeth went downstairs to dinner, she was quickly reminded why she disliked Mrs. Bingley's sister. They were shockingly cold and indifferent about Jane when she was not around. So when Elizabeth was down for eating dinner, she quickly reminded, she just got thought that why I don't like these person, because these person are too cold, means they don't have respect, they don't have feeling for others. When Jane was cold, even they did not take care of her properly. When Elizabeth banged to upstairs, by thinking this thought, Elizabeth just stood up from dinner table and she went to the Jane room. So one of the Bingley sisters said, she is completely ill-mannered, no conversation, no style, no taste, no beauty. Means they are criticizing to Elizabeth because she just came in bad appearance in the house of Bingleys. So she said that she is completely ill-mannered, she has no manner of talking, she has no style, even she don't have how to dress up herself. She looked almost wild when she came this morning. Means they were just backbiting to Elizabeth. They said in the morning when she came to the house of mine, she was completely looking wild. Her hair was untidy, why was scampered. The beauty of the sister are called. I hope that her petticoat was 6 inches deep in the mud. So they were saying her hair was so dirty, means her petticoat, means her skirt was also completely got dirty with the mud, and mud was completely got dry in her skirt. I thought Miss Elizabeth Bennet looked remarkably well when she came back to room. Her dirty petticoat quite escaped my notice. So here Darcy is praising to Elizabeth. He is the hero of this novel. So Darcy said, no, I did not notice about this, but I just saw her dedication to see her sister. I did not notice that how was she looking in the morning. Mrs. Darcy, I am sure you would not wish to see her sister do the same. Certainly not. Here Mr. Bennet is saying, Mrs. Darcy, you are just saying correct thing, but I think as a person, as a sister, brother, you don't like that your sister should go in any other house like this, in this appearance. Certainly not. It shows an abominable sort of conceit, independent and indifference to decorum. So here Darcy is saying, yes, I don't want my sister to go there anywhere like this in this appearance. But on the other hand, I will say this, that Elizabeth has the feeling for her sister very properly, and she has dedication and she has feeling of respect. So everyone should have that kind. Here Darcy is praising to Elizabeth for her dedication, because she went to Netherfield to Longbourn in this appearance, and she just came back on foot. It shows her affection for sister. It is very pleasing. So here see everyone, Darcy is saying, it shows her love for her sister. It is very amusing for seeing like this kind of love between sisters. I am afraid, Mr. Darcy, that his adventure has rather affected your determination in the fine eyes. So Bingley's sister is getting jealous that Darcy is praising to Elizabeth, not of her. She is saying that I am afraid, Darcy, that only this this quality of Elizabeth will attract your attention. Not at all. They were brightened by the exercise. So they are just laughing. Darcy said, no, only this thing cannot impress me about Elizabeth. I am completely just got habitual by this kind of behavior. I will not be get affected to Elizabeth. I wish with all my heart that Jane Bennet were settled with the father and mother and low connection. That does not make them less agreement, but it is meritably lesson that their changes of marrying men any consideration. So here sister is saying, Bingley's sister is saying that means Jane Bennet and her family, means like father and mother, has so much eager to settle her daughter with a rich person. Means how like parents they are, they don't have care for her daughters. So here they are praising about themselves, and they are just criticizing the Elizabeth, Jane and her family. They are saying that only for getting married to rich person they can do anything, even they don't care about her daughters also. So here everyone, now the evening time starts. Elizabeth joined others in drawing room after Jane was asleep. Miss Elizabeth is a great reader, no pleaser of anything else. Do you prefer reading to cards? So here Elizabeth has come down because it is evening time. Jane has gone for sleeping. That's why she was feeling alone. So she said that there is a library. Why she should not go to library for reading something? So when Elizabeth came down, so Mrs. Bingley's sister was making fun of Elizabeth that only she is so boring girl and she likes only reading, nothing else she write. So she said, I deserve neither a praise nor any such censure. I am not a great reader, but I have pleased in many things. So she said, no, I don't want. She's just getting neglecting. She's saying, no, I don't want any kind of attention of yours. Neither I just want to make you clear about anything. I am not a good reader, but I like reading somehow. I am sure to have pleasure in nursing the sister. So they are making fun of Elizabeth. They are saying, no, I know that you don't like reading books, but instead of that you would like to nursing, to take care of a sister. It has been the work of many generations. Have you delighted for library, Pembury, don't you, Mrs. Dusty? Here see everyone, they are just talking to each other. They are just completely neglecting to Elizabeth, and Elizabeth is sitting here alone and she is reading the books. And means they are just talking about themselves. They are saying that this library has so many books, so it will be work of many generations, from many generations this books and notebooks will be collected, and you have added so much yourself, you always buying books. So here Bingley's sister is saying, no, means Darcy said, no, it is not from many generations, but I like reading, that's why I have purchased many books and I have just kept in a collection of library. Is Miss Dusty much grown since spring? I am sure she is now as tall as I am, and such a delightful girl, and a counter as such girl, and extremely complex for her age. It's amazing how young ladies can have the patience to be very accomplished. So they are talking about girls now, that how a girl can be accomplished in her life, because not only marrying to a rich person can fulfill a demand of a girl, but also girl should belong to a high family, and means wealthy family. So here everyone, by this conversation you can come to know they are making fun of Elizabeth. All young ladies accomplished, what do you mean? Yes, they are all plain table cover screen pet nurses. Do not anyone cannot do all these things. So everyone here, they are just talking about a successful women in life. Darcy is saying, no, all that girls in her life cannot be success, because some used to just means like to paint tables, some used to like to cover the screen, some like to nurse the pet. Means all the ladies have their different quality, different hobbies for being accomplished in life. Women must have the thorough knowledge of music, singing, reading, dancing. Means they are saying not only means girls have these quality, but girls must know how to sing, how to dance, how to drawing, how to modern language, speak the modern language. Means beside all these things, girl must possess a certain something in her air in the manner of walking. Means girls should know how to walk. Means they should have the attitude when they walk. The tone of her voice, her address, expression will be must have deserved. So they are saying not only all the people like girls who nurses others, who take care of others, means who know household work. Means even though means in the modern time people would like the girls who know singing, music, they have the very a strange way of walking. They have attitude in herself. Like this girl only can be accomplished and can be liked by me. Darcy said this. All these she possesses all these things, yet all do something was sustainable in the improvement of the mind by extension reading. So Darcy said now these things can be possessed by a girl when girl have the knowledge regarding things, and their knowledge can be improved when the extensive reading, when they will read the books, not only books, when they will read something else, they will increase the knowledge of themselves. I am no longer surprised at your knowledge, only 6 accomplished women. I rather wonder your knowing way. So means here Elizabeth is surprised by how they were talking about girls. Means accomplished girls, how they were talking. So here they are, Elizabeth was surprised that by getting to know the knowledge of Darcy regarding the girls. Are you severe upon your own sex? So here they are saying, means are you confirmed that whatever you are just good in your own way. I never saw such a woman, I never saw such a capacity, taste and application and elegance as you deserve untied. So Elizabeth stood from there because she was just feeling like it is my insult that I am sitting among these people who don't have manners, who don't have sense for talking. She said that I don't have this sense to listen these things. I will go forward and I will just move from here. So she got stood and she went from there. So everyone here this story ends. I hope you will understand very properly. Thank you.